Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you across the globe. This is Peterson giving you the Bitcoin chat as always. Congratulations to those who took my Bitcoin chat, my call from the levels of 76k to the levels of 90k. You want to know what next to do? Stay here right in the next couple of minutes, because I'm going to be dissolving the chat again as always. Do not forget, let me say here clearly that Bitcoin is still in this big bullish trend line, and the market for sure has been reacting even to consecutively a new trend Bitcoin formed with this other a tiny trend line in this current bullish trend we are in. Okay, what are we seeing on the monthly time frame? On the monthly time frame, what we are seeing currently today of April 23rd, it was seen clearly a bullish engulfing candle to this body of this month of March. What are we going to be expecting? Are we going to be seeing a week-like stuff in the month of February, January? I'm definitely going to explain what I'm saying the week like when we start talking about the weekly, but the main play right here is not the weekly, is not the monthly time frame, but that of the weekly. Let's now let's now disclose what we're talking about on the weekly time frame. All right, for sure, for real. If you watch me, I told you that Bitcoin was forming what we call a potential inverse head then, and a possible right shoulder in the weekly time frame, and that's what we are making out currently. Bitcoin has successfully break out in this weekly time frame. That's why for me I was expecting a breakout, then a possible retest around this zone before the fly to test the neckline. But right now Bitcoin has tested, is right there at the level of the neckline right here on the weekly time frame. What are we expecting? Could Bitcoin make this move indeed in the month of let me check Binance to tell you what I'm explaining right now. There's a potential of Bitcoin coming to mimic this it formed in the previous bull run. You can watch here. Bitcoin did after we made these tops here of 65k. Bitcoin came to form what we call a kind of bullish wedge here. Then we broke to the top side. After testing the neckline of this area, Bitcoin came down to test the neckline of this breakout you are seeing here before it moved moved to the previous high of $69,000 per coin. Could we be seeing that? It's a possibility. But me, let's go back to the trading view. Now, what I'm expecting was Bitcoin come and test this neckline and go down. But what we are seeing right now, Bitcoin can potentially now come and do a neckline retest. It's for sure that is coming for sure. Then make a new high is a very big possibility before that crash. Yeah, this is a possibility that I'm talking about now, because with the breakout we are making, there's a high chance that we'll come and test this neckline and make a new high. Yes, if we can make a new high, I'm saying it today because of this breakout we are seeing currently. But for sure, whenever you move with the money, the flow, for sure you always be in tandem with what we are doing. All right, let's now go to the daily time frame to also explain what we are seeing on the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame we go. You can see Bitcoin, I predicted exactly the bottom here, and Bitcoin flew from I think I gave 4 hour setup, which was at 76k when we made that double bottom, and right now Bitcoin is flying. We can see that we are clearly at the neckline of the weekly, so we're expecting a huge correction. Now for traders in the building, if you go to 4 hours, some traders I was seeing on the chart, yes, this was actually a bearish formation, but what they failed to make out was they are supposed to put a kind of like a trend line here and here, so that, and would possibly wait for a breakout, but they did not wait for breakout, so they just short here and the market caught them out and they keep on moving. So So if you watch, I was quiet about that inbound retracement, although it was there for sure, but they would have just waited for confirmation so that the market definitely respect what they were seeing then. So this is what I'm talking about now. What we are seeing right now, we are seeing a kind of this is a bearish flag forming right now. So Bitcoin can still go a little bit to even 96k or 97k before coming down. But when that signal comes, I'm definitely going to post it again. For now, we don't have any short signal. We're waiting for it. Bitcoin wants to go down now. Bitcoin is about to retrace to the downside. Now, the Bitcoin dominance again today is, look at it, is at 64. So guess what? Altcoins are going to suffer a whole lot whenever we're going to have that downtime. So for now, let's be careful. Those that are taking long for this point in time, it's a wrong thing to do at this point in time. I will not like to use a very wrong thing. We have to now wait for a massive retracement. It's coming, and it's coming. Okay. From the south coast of Nigeria, Delta States, Dr. Peterson signing out. I'm wishing you the best of days. Till I see you next time. Bye for now.